Sharing with you my 2-minute facial spa at home. So this morning na nakahilamos ang inahan. Si batang nag-yes na. So this feels so good every time I use the Lume Spa. It's a deep cleansing device. It's very gentle. It does not harm your skin. It gently exfoliates pero hindi mo maramdaman. And this one prevents my pimple attacks. Hindi na ako nagkaka-pimple. And kung sakali naman like galing period, nagkakaroon ng pimple, ang bilis lang yung mawala. Basta, nilinis ko mukha ko na linis pa. And it activates the natural collagen from the outside of my skin. Kaya ang galing. If you haven't tried this one, maybe magandang mag-update kayo sa ganito. Kasi this unit, it's more than 4 years na sa akin. Sobrang sulit. This is drop proof and shock proof. Pero iba to. And waterproof is in natas ito ng sobrang lalim na tubig. Kaya sulit. And you can connect this to your device para ma-monitor mo kung yung progress ng skin journey mo. Message me for more information.